Hello, I'm Emily CEAVONE in Florence, Italy. I'm a native Ohioan, but have called Florence my home since 2004. I actually studied abroad in Florence 3 times myself. I've worked at CEA since 2008 and have been center director since 2014. Combined, my staff and I have been working with study abroad students in Florence for over 40 years. We love what we do, and we love doing it with CEA. The staff and professors are always super excited to introduce students and visiting faculty to memorable and exclusive learning opportunities, visiting companies, monuments, and sites that are unique, and speaking with experts and professionals about their business or research. Study abroad is such an exciting and impactful way to bring learning to life. What, in my opinion, makes CEA a great partner are our high program and academic standards, as well as our attention to students. Every student matters to us, their well-being and their academic success. We want for our students all the best that our city and region have to offer, and we can't wait to share Florence, Tuscany, and Italy with you.
Hello, I'm Monica Francioso. I'm Italian, but I spent 13 years of my life between England and Ireland, where I did my PhD and worked as a professor of Italian studies. I am Florence Academic Director and have worked at CEA since 2015. I work very closely with other CEA academic directors around the world at UNH, our School of Record, to guarantee high academic standards. I really enjoy working with my colleagues and faculty to ensure for our students the best possible academic experience and success. We listen to feedback, to universities' requests, and we build and grow our programs from that. That's what I think makes CEA a great partner. What I really love about my job, other than the creative and collaborative aspect of it, is the chance to see our students' interest and passion for the courses that they are taking grow day in and day out, observing how, during the semester, they connect the dots and start making sense of the different culture they're living in, its history, and what makes it special.
Bonjour, hello everyone. My name is Alexandra Mitchell. I'm the Director of International Programs in France for CEA Study Abroad. I'm based here at our study center in Paris. You can see. If you were here with us today, you would be in this room with me having café and croissant. Today we are saying hello from far away. So I've been with CEA for 16 years, working in study abroad in Paris for 20 years. Been in Paris for 26 years. I was a student here before I got into international education. I'm always so happy every session when we have new students come in. It reminds me of my own time as a study abroad student. Working in study abroad sort of allows you to stay at that moment that was such an important and a pivotal moment in your life and in your career. It's certainly the way I feel. Here in Paris, we have lots and lots of opportunities for students to discover a different perspective from what they're used to on their home campus. And so as an organization and as a partner, we take great pride in bringing those opportunities to your courses, to your students, to your curriculum. So we look very much forward to working with you very soon, opening up in 2021. And until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, and à bientôt.
Bonjour to our friends and colleagues in the US. For those whom I have not yet had the pleasure of meeting, my name is Christopher Edwards, the Academic Director for CEA Study Abroad programs in Paris. I'll soon celebrate 14 years with CEA in Paris, where, in addition to my administrative duties, I enjoy teaching courses in intercultural communication, as well as in French as a foreign language. Like many of you, I got involved in our field as a way to share a transformative experience in a thoughtful and critical way with students studying abroad. And while working with students is a daily learning experience that I cherish, I get a lot of satisfaction out of developing new academic and cultural programming for you all, and especially for our students. Here at CEA, we pride ourselves on being an attentive and flexible partner for you, which means a lot of brainstorming, new ideas, and new contacts on our end. After our students, it's what I enjoy most about CEA and what, in my opinion, makes us a great partner.
Hi, my name is Anna FELBERBAUM, and I'm the Center Director for the CEA Rome program. I've been working at CEA for almost 16 years now, and I'm very lucky to have been with my team for 10 years. This means that we work together as a family, we work together as friends, we are great colleagues, understanding the needs of our students as one. I think the favorite part of study abroad for me and for my team is arrivals and orientation. It is 5 intense days where we greet students to have the first experience of study abroad together. We greet students who are very scared. We greet students who have never traveled abroad, first time that they've used their passport. And we also greet students that we know are going to be travelers of the world from then on. It is a wonderful moment because from that moment on, we live 4 months of a wonderful experience, and then we let go of these young adults who go back home or continue traveling, and we know that we have made an impact in their lives. We try and see study abroad as a holistic experience and to understand the student in every different aspect of their lives. We are their family for the next 4 months, and that's what makes CEA and CEA Rome that much special.